Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making Instant Pot loaded baked potato soup. So what all goes into the Instant Pot loaded baked potato soup? 4 slices of bacon chopped, 4 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, 8 green onions thinly sliced, white and green parts separated, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 carton 32 ounces of chicken broth, 1 package 8 ounces of cream cheese cubed, softened, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I have the triple cheddar. So let's begin. So take your Instant Pot insert and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And put it back into the Instant Pot. So you want to hit saute, and the level should be at normal. Add your bacon and cook for 7 to 9 minutes, stirring occasionally until crisp. So take your bacon and remove it with a slotted spoon on a paper towel-lined tray. So there's some brown bits down below, but it says to stir in the potatoes and the onions and the salt into the baking drippings, and then stir in the broth. I'm going to add a little bit of broth just to stir up the brown bits because we don't want it to burn before I add everything else in. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got all the bacon bits up. I'm going to add my potatoes, the whites of the green onion, and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then add the broth into that, which is a full 32 ounces, minus what I used to stir up the brown bits, and stir that in. Secure your lid, turn it to seal. Don't want to forget that. Hit pressure cook to high pressure, and we want to do 6 minutes. It's getting ready to build up pressure. When it builds up pressure, it will count down for the 6 minutes. All right, so it says it's at the end. We didn't use keep warm, so hit cancel, and then use the venting for quick release. All right, so the little button went back down in its hidey hole, so it's safe to open up the lid. Just keep your hands away from the steam. Next, you want to take your potato masher and mash your potatoes. And you can mash these to where they're just like mashed potatoes, or you can just mash them where the chunks are a little bit smaller, or you just have a few chunks. You could also use the masher attachment on your immersion blender if you would like, but this one seems to be doing pretty good. In fact, it's getting pretty well mashed. It's got a little bit of chunks, and that's what I think I want for a soup. Then add your cut up pieces of your cream cheese. Mix that until it is combined. I did use my immersion blender, not for the potatoes, but I did use them to get the cream cheese thoroughly mixed up. All right, so let's get this dished up, and then Dave can do a taste test. So to make this potato soup loaded, we need to add some of the cooked bacon, the green parts of the green onion that we sliced, and some of the cheddar cheese. So here is the Instant Pot loaded potato soup, and rounding out the meal is ciabatta bread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
That is Instant Pot loaded baked potato soup.
Huh. Huh, that's pretty darn good. Never even heard of this. That's really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.